This movement is fantastic for shoulder activation, health, and muscle activation throughout the chest, shoulder, and thoracic spine. The way it works is like this. From the ground, you're going to grab your kettlebell and roll onto your back safely. From here, you're going to post the same leg that the kettlebell is on, that same side, legs posted up just outside of the butt. So not here, but here. Opposite side gets long, reaching out directly. From here, you can press towards the ceiling, similar to a Turkish get-up, and allow your chest to gently go towards the ground. From here, you could even bring your foot across to allow the hips to turn towards the ground as well. Hold 3 to 5 seconds. Safely return. Safely roll the kettlebell to the front. Same leg posts up on the outside. Opposite side gets nice and long. Press towards the ceiling, similar to a Turkish get-up. You could allow your chest to then sink in towards the ground. And you could even bring your hips across with that leg. 3 to 5 second hold. Return. And back down. Kettlebell arm bar. For those of you that may be a little intimidated to try the kettlebell arm bar with a heavy weight or simply don't have access to a kettlebell, you can also use other things. For instance, a water bottle. So it would be the same mechanics, just replacing the kettlebell with a water bottle. Hold 3 to 5 seconds and back. The idea is just simply extension towards the ceiling and maintaining that shoulder. If you don't have a water bottle, you can pop off a shoe, same thing. The idea is to work in some good quality reps and get that arm bar positioning. Stay safe, stay ready, let me know what you think.